Hello again, everybody. What we're going to do on this one is sample a hack question just so you sort of have an idea of what to do and where to find it. So this is our Moodle page, as you'll recognize. So if we just scroll down here a little bit, on week 2 we have this hack question. I haven't uploaded the other lecture video yet, so that's why it's not here. So we'll just go ahead and click on this one, which will be just a discussion forum. And so what you're going to do is just use this image to answer the question. So the source here is the engraving titled "The Pilgrims Signing the Compact on Board the Mayflower, November 11th, 1620." This is created by T.H. Madison in 1859. Pay attention to every detail in the source. And what I want you to do here is look at the engraving, this engraving, and I want you to answer whether or not you think it's a useful resource for historians who want to understand the signing of the Mayflower Compact. So do you think that it is? Do you agree with the statement that it is a useful resource, or don't you agree? I need you to write a paragraph that means 5 sentences minimum as you're answering this. It shouldn't be that hard, and I want you to add it here, which it looks like a couple of you already have. So I appreciate that. I don't need you to have it done until next week. That's when I'll grade it. So I appreciate it, certainly. And then the following week, so next week, you'll see a video of me telling you how to go in here and respond to somebody else. And I don't want to bring anybody's up to embarrass them or whatever. But it looks like some of you have gotten a heck of a jump start on this, so I appreciate that. Uh, so if anybody has any questions about this, do email me, though, with some speed. And here is just some questions to keep in mind. So this is sort of a truncated version of what I showed you at the end of that What is History PowerPoint. So this is the processes of historical thinking. I will upload this to this week, that way you have it for yourselves. And sourcing is the one that we're mostly concerned about here. Sourcing is the big issue. Sourcing is what kind of written, is it a written source? Is it typed? Is it a painting? In this case, it's an engraving. Was it translated or transcribed? When was it written? Where was it written? Who wrote it? And apply other standards to this one, because this is clearly the one we're doing today, not a written source of any kind. It's an engraving. So where was it made? When was it made? Especially pay attention to that. And who did it? Do you know anything about their background? You don't have to do independent research, but if you do, then feel free to let us know. Then who is he doing it, or what is he or she making it for? Who's the intended audience here? You don't have to answer these questions. Certainly just answer the question that we have down here. But just keep those kinds of things in mind. And again, I will upload that to our weekly discussion here. So you'll see it under this heading as soon as I'm done uploading it. And I'll give you a little checklist like I did last week right here, to let you know what you have to do. Okay, so email me again if you have any questions about it. Otherwise, I look forward to reading your responses. Thank you.